What are you guys gonna do?
We made the world's largest space pile.
It's pretty big.
Yeah, the world's largest is
4'5". And how tall is this?
this one is about 4 feet and 9 or 8 inches.
All right, let's see you jump in it.
And
To
now
celebrate,
we are going to jump in it.
All
Okay,
right,
ready? 1,
2, 3, go. Woo!
And the best jump.
Let me get a picture of you. Let me get you laying in the leaves.
Okay, stop the recording.
No, I want to get you laying in the leaves. Lay down.
You can't take a picture while you're recording.
Well, it's recording. Lay down.
Okay, stop the video.
All right, press the button again.
Yes.